Welcome back everyone. I am Bharat. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. In the last video, we created a simple Flask API. In this video, we will Dockerize this application and run it locally within Docker. Firstly, before doing that, last time we had run our application using Python and just specifying the file name. So I'll show a different way of running the same application. So we have this Flask app. So all we have to do is mention Flask app and the file name that we'll be using and space Flask run. So this is another way of running this application. Let's click on this. Here we go. And let's check for our items endpoint, and we have this list of items. Cool. Okay, now let's start writing a Docker file for this application. Let me close this. Okay, let's add this PyCache to gitignore. You can see this is grayed out. Let's close this and let's create a new file called Dockerfile. Okay, the first thing that we have to do is pull in a Python image. So let's pull in from the Docker Hub. I am pulling in Python 3.8 Alpine image, and let's create a work directory. Let's just call it app, and let's copy the contents. Now let's run few commands. Since this is Python image, Python will be installed, and first let's upgrade the pip version. Let's install all the requirements that we have specified in requirements.txt. So next thing that we have is we have to set up environmental variables. So let's set up Flask app. Here the entry point for this Flask application is server.py. So let's give the same, and we need to set up Flask environment. So here we are running within local, so I'll just give it development, but while pushing it to GitHub and then running with ECS, I'll specify as production. So we have to specify the host. So let's just make it 0.0.0.0 that it can be called from anywhere, and let's expose the port 5000 where our app will be running. And once that is done, we have to execute our Flask application and build the image and create a container. Okay, now let's open it in the browser. Here you can see we have it working. So that is it for this video, guys. If you found this was helpful, hit on the like button, share it with your friends, and drop your valuable thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and hit on the notification bell so you don't miss out any of the latest updates. Thank you for watching, and look forward to meet you guys in the upcoming video.